Hello students, today we are going to discuss the nomenclature of organic compounds. Organic compounds are there large in numbers, so it is very difficult to remember the nomenclature of the organic compounds, and for this a systematic nomenclature, the rules is derived. Accordingly, the organic compounds nomenclature is given. So generally organic compounds, it has two names. One is common name. Common name means that is unsystematic, there is no fixed rule for this. It may be a trivial names. It is also called trend name. It is also called, that is the name derived from the source. It depends upon the source from where it is also produced. But in IPC nomenclature, it is a systematic nomenclature, and International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry, it was the union that set up at the University of Geneva. They framed different rules regarding the nomenclature of organic compounds. So this rule is fixed. The rule is fixed for the nomenclature, impact nomenclature of organic compounds. Before that, organic compounds, how can you characterize organic compounds? Organic compounds generally characterized from its functional group. What is functional group? Functional group is the atom or group of atoms attached to the carbon atom of the organic compounds and is responsible for the property of organic compounds. Mainly functional group is responsible to characterize the organic compounds. That's why a functional group is very much essential for the organic compounds. Without functional group, the organic compound cannot be characterized. So what are the functional group? What are the names? That is nomenclature. Generally in IPC nomenclature, that has the two parts. One is prefix and suffix. In every name, first part and last part. First part, that is called prefix, and the last part of the name, that is called suffix. First part, that is called prefix, it mainly indicates the number of carbon atom. If carbon atom is one carbon, that is called meth, the prefix is meth. If 2 carbon, that is called eth. 3 carbon, that is called proof, and 4 carbon, that is called but. Like this, it has names. So C5, pent, 6, hept, like this. So different names are given. So if it has 5 carbon, that is called pent, 6 carbon hex. So like this, pent, hex, hept, like this. Different types of prefix can be used for the carbon atoms. But suffix mainly indicates the functional group. Mainly it is functional group. It mainly indicates functional group. What are the functional group? And functional group has also prefix name and suffix name. And here we discuss different types of functional group and its suffix and prefix. Carbon-carbon single bond. That is, we know alkane contain carbon-carbon single bond. This class is alkane and it is called carbon single bond. But generally it is not used as prefix. But double bond, that is your double bond, that is alkene. There is no prefix, but suffix is ene. For alkane, suffix is ane. Suffix of alkane ane, this is ene. Then OH group, that is alcoholic group, it is also called hydroxy group, and the class is alcohol. Prefix is hydroxy, and suffix is all. Suffix is all. COS, this is called carboxyl acid. This group present in carboxylic acid, that is carboxyl. The group name is carboxyl, and the class is carboxyl acid. I have told already. And prefix is carboxyl. Prefix is carboxyl, but suffix is oic acid. Because when the COH will be used as prefix, it is called carboxy, but the suffix is oic acids. Similarly, CHO. This is aldehyde. That is called formyl or aldehyde group. The name is aldehyde group or formyl group, and class is aldehyde. And prefix is, that is called formyl. The prefix is formyl and suffix is al. Suffix is called al. Aldehyde is suffix is al. Similarly, that is COS, that is keto group. It is, your class is ketone and prefix is oxo and suffix is one. Prefix is oxo or keto, it is also keto. keto or oxo, prefix name, but suffix name is one, like this. And COA, this is called ester. This functional group is called ester group. It is same like your parent, that is class of organic compound ester, but prefix is alkoxycarbonyl. Alkoxycarbonyl. This group is alkoxy. OR is, if you draw the structure, COOR. So this group OR is alkoxy. Alkoxycarbonyl, that is your prefix name, and suffix is OAT. OAT. OATE. That is OAT. Okay. Then COCX, that is acid, that is derivative. Ester is also acid derivative. This is also acid derivative, and this is called acid halide. This is called acid halide, and this is acid derivative. That is class is acid halide class, and that is halocarbonyl. Halocarbonyl prefix name, and your suffix name is halide. Last name is halide. CONH2, this is called amide. This class of organic compound, these all are acid derivative. Ester 1, 2, 3, and this 4. First, second, third, fourth. This is called, all are called acid derivative. CONH2 amide, that is acid amide. Carbamoyl, prefix name is carbamoyl, and suffix is last is amide. You have to remember the functional group is prefix name and suffix name. Then you can give the nomenclature. And this, if OR, this group is there. This is called ether group, and class of organic compounds of ether, and generally it is called as alkoxy. Alkoxy. This OR. This is means OR. This OR is called alkoxy. Alkoxy alkane. Last name is alkane. And here cyanide. Cyanide group is there. That is called cyanide group. But this the class organic compound is called nitrile. RCN. Nitrile means RCN. That is nitrile. Here prefix is cyano. Prefix is cyano, and the suffix is nitrile. Last part will be nitrile. We will discuss individual group of the nomenclature of individual group. We will discuss in the next class. Okay, this is called nitrile, and this is called amino. NH2. This is called amino, and this is amine. The class of organic compound amine, and the group is called amino group. And here prefix is same amino, but suffix is amine. Last part is amine. So these are very important compound. Like this, suppose another just you can add. If this group is there, this is called halo. This is called halo group. This is haloalkane. Haloalkane. Prefix is also halo, and suffix is alkane. Suffix is alkane. Okay. RX. The group is RX. Functional group haloalkane is RX. That is your haloalkane. So haloalkane is there. So halo, that is your chloromethane, bromomethane, like this. Haloalkane. Halo. Last part is alkane. Alkane means number of carbon atoms. If one carbon, halomethane, two carbon, haloethane, like this. So these are very important of organic functional groups. Their prefix name and suffix name. Prefix means sometimes the functional group also used as prefix. It will be written from the beginning of the nomenclature. That's what is the prefix. And suffix, it is already fixed. That is, it is a very important part of the nomenclature. That is, suffix will be always written in the last. So these are some functional groups and their prefix and suffix and a class of organic compounds. In the next class, we will discuss individual functional or individual class of organic compounds and its functional group and the nomenclature. Okay, thank you all.